Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I will tell you about how to stop YouTube from automatically playing videos on the web. Yes, according to its algorithm, YouTube has a feature that it can play the videos it thinks you might like. It is possible to turn this feature on or off optionally, of course. You don't have to deal with it. Over at YouTube, they love it when you watch more YouTube. If you're sick of YouTube automatically queuing up more videos for you, however, it is easy enough to turn the autoplay feature off and go back to your watching your videos at your own pace. On both desktop or mobile platforms, YouTube will automatically play a suggested up next queue if you don't intervene, as seen in the screenshot above, where a clip from last week tonight with John Oliver automatically plays when the previous one completes. So, while fortunately turning off autoplay is pretty easy, and unfortunately the option is not linked to your Google account, so you'll need to toggle the setting on every device you use. You have to change it in your computer, you have to change it in your iPad, you have to do it all of them one by one. Yes. And let's take a look how to do so. Now, at least you can turn it off on your website. You can start there. So what we're going to do, just like the mobile applications, it's going to be easy. There's a toggle on the browser-based version of YouTube, like, albeit not quite as prominent, but in the screen, in this here, where video we're watching, plus the long of like up next, that will keep playing if we don't intervene. So let's show which one. Let's go with this one. So as you can see, you see up next. It's gonna play this one, and after this, when I click this, it's gonna play another one. So what I'm gonna do is just click here, and when the video finishes, it's not gonna bring it up. It's not gonna say, "Oh, it's about to play." It's not gonna. It's just gonna be giving a lot of suggestions, and I can choose from there, or I can just choose from my recommendations. So that's all there is. It's flip the autoplay, toggle across all the devices you use YouTube on, and the annoyance of autoplaying videos vanishes, just goes away. But I'm pretty sure if our video, if it looking like up next video is another thing, you can just keep going. You don't need to turn it off. So I hope you understood what you wanted to get out of this video. It's so easy. The only annoying thing is you have to do it on your mobile phone now, and then your iPad, all of them. But it's pretty easy. So if you have any questions, you can ask me under the comments below. And if you have any suggestions, you can also write them down, and you can give me thumbs up. That's what I was waiting for. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we're waiting for it. We're waiting for it. Thanks for watching. Take care.